So essentially, myself, YB Hanipa, YB Lim Lek Eng, and also YB Sim have signed these amendments, and we will be presenting this at the committee stage for debate in Parliament. Today, you'll see the debate for the what they call policy stage. Several MPs have been appointed to do those. We'll be doing the technical team regarding this matter. Now, the key points of the amendments that we want to propose to replace Pota is essentially the police officer. When they arrest a suspect or terrorist suspect, it must be of a rank of no less than a superintendent. Yeah? In the Pota, any police officer can arrest, which is not good. We expect, if anything, to arrest a terrorist, you must have gone and spy on him or followed him for at least a month before you do something. So there's no excuse for any police officer just to arrest. And once the accused is arrested, we would like to see him presented to the High Court, not a magistrate court, which is what Pota has. This is not a rubber stamp. The High Court needs to consider this matter seriously. It's appropriate that terrorist charges should be dealt with by a High Court. And then after that, the High Court will decide whether he can be remanded or not, or released. Now, we are basically asking for 14 days pre-trial detention. No detention without trial. Pre-trial detention is used in both Australia and UK. This is the standard. We think that Malaysia should also follow this Commonwealth standard. And it will be a right balance between fighting terrorism, at the same time balance to protecting human rights and also democratic principles of rule of law. Yeah. So my last word on this matter before I pass on to Hanipa and also Lim Lek Eng is that you cannot fight terrorism by suppressing or destroying democracy. That will never work. In fact, if Pota is passed today or tomorrow, we will have a serious problem. We might even radicalize a lot of people who are what we call misguided citizens. They will become terrorists after Pota. Yeah? So this is not the intention of a legislation. A legislation is meant to protect democracy and fight terrorism at the same time.
Can you please explain under what standing order can this process allow? Because you say that you guys are going to ask for amendment during the committee
57-2.
57-2.
57-2. We did before when Pota was
yeah, by the way, this is issued by the Parliament itself. This is from the Speaker's office. So this is not our document. That means they've already accepted our notice and that we should be able to table our version tomorrow. Yeah, if assuming that the policy debate doesn't ends today, then the committee stage debate will start tomorrow.
I think we need
so you guys will only give this suggestion of amendment during the third
Actually,
reading.
we need to reiterate. We completely reject this bill. But in the event our rejection is not accepted by the government, so we propose our counter. We put our counter proposal to make amendments to the bill.